Christian Church of God, Redeemed Men Fellowship, Ogun Province 24, organized couples dinner in line with the men's convention with the theme, The Blissful Man. The program commences as couples with colorful attires move down to Conference Hotel IJEBU-ODE, Ogun State to renew their marital vows. Dr. IJEBU-ODE Julius, the Redeemed Men Fellowship President, Ogun 24, gave a welcome address and appreciated everyone in attendance, saying the event is an epic making one because it was the maiden edition in the history of Ogun Province 24 of the Redeemed Christian Church of God.
For the first time in the history of Ogun Province 24, and this is the maiden edition of this type of gathering. Remember when I was the president in Ogun Province 2, we had a gathering of this nature. And it is just the carryover effect of what we used to have then that we said that we should continue even while we are here in the presence of God. And it is always good for us to gather like this. Gather like this in the sense that, men are full of activities and we need time to come together. Perhaps I will tell you a little about the reason for the existence. This group of men is what our Father in the Lord, that IJEBU-ODE himself started. When he discovered that men, more often than not, have always been backbenchers in the things of God. He fashioned out this gathering to bring them together in order to pray together, in order to discuss their problems and how to go about it. So the purpose of establishing this fellowship, the men's fellowship, by our Father in the Lord, is twofold. Number one, for spiritual growth of men and physical development. Men are faced with a lot of challenges, difficulties, spiritual, physical, emotional, financial, and all sorts of challenges. So when we gather together, we are able to discuss all these challenges and fashion out the modality to get out of them and to pray for them, especially those ones that are very, very germane and spiritual.
The pastor in charge of Ogun Province 24, Pastor Israel Ajewole Ademiluyi, said the essence of the program is to give balanced diet to the body, soul, and spirit, and to give all-round growth.
Those messages are there to help us and help us to grow all-round development, body, soul, and spirit. opportunity for a couple to exhibit or renew their love for one another, their paper love. There's no way you eat and die with somebody and you will not love such a person. Please, I want us to go in some home. Some husband and wife, they are living together. But here you are here with your wife, you are here with your husband, and you have the opportunity to eat and wine together. Whatever lesson or lessons that we are able to learn from this gathering, I want it to be a continual one, so that we will replicate that when we get our respective homes.
Also, the Regional Redeemers Men President, Pastor Debo Adebowale, gave a goodwill message. In his speech, he said it was worth mentioning that the coming together of men on regular or yearly basis was not a jamboree or mere social gathering, but to rethink, appreciate, and reset of mind on the essence of their existence.
Before the great men of over 24 and to be among the active participants.
Speakers, Pastor Dayo and Funke Fajimi, spoke on the topic, the blissful marriage, and emphasized that a blissful marriage is God-controlled marriage and glory-covered marriage.
Blissful marriage. Now, blissful marriage is defined by scripture in the Bible. And I'm going to read that scripture to us as we go on, as we commence. And that scripture is found in the book of Romans chapter 14. Romans chapter 14, and read verse 17b. The Bible says, for the kingdom of God is righteousness, peace, and joy in the Holy Ghost. Blissful marriage typically defines heaven and earth marriage. The marriage as that way. It's a place where the presence of God is dwelling. Number two, heaven is a place of order. Heaven is a place of joy, number one. Number two, heaven is a place of order. And when we talk about order, we talk about responsibility. Heaven is not a place of chaos. Heaven is not disorganized. It has order. There's where the Father is. There's where Jesus sits by the right hand of the Father. There's where the 24 elders are. And there is where the cherubs and the seraphs are. So also, a peaceful marriage should be a place of order. Every one of us has responsibility, you know, as every one of us, or each one of us couple, each one of us spouses have responsibilities that we need to be abreast about. I know we know most of this or all of these things, but it's very expedient to remind one another once in a while like this. And I had Paul at this time to say that to the glory of God, my husband and I will be going for couples meeting as big as this, bigger than this, smaller than this. But personally, I have not seen men's day or Father's Day celebrated this way. And I want to appreciate, I want to celebrate our fathers. I want to celebrate the women, our mothers, because I know we are behind all this. Isn't it? Are we not the ones behind this? Please clap for yourself. Hallelujah. So heaven is a place of order, you know, and as a woman or as a wife, what is your responsibility? Now, we direct my thought to women today. Maybe I will give the other one to my husband. What is your responsibility as a wife? Do you know that being a wife is a ministry on its own? In the capacity of the wife that you are, your ministry is 100% towards your husband. In that home, there is a king in that home. In that marriage, there is a king in the kingdom of that marriage. And that king is your husband. So as a wife, yes, please give it to the man. That king is your husband. This is my king. My husband is my king. So in the kingdom of that marriage, the king here is your husband. And so as a wife, in the capacity of the wife, your ministry is 100% towards your husband. That means you don't treat your husband like you would treat every other person. It's amazing to me when I see women treating their husband the way they treat their husband, after the way they treat their brother, the way they treat their father. No, they are in different categories. Your husband is the king in that house, and please let them feel like the king in their own kingdom. Let them feel like the king in their own kingdom. You don't talk down on your husband. You don't shout at them, especially openly. You don't let your children, let everybody around you, including your children, know that your husband has a place that is special and second to none in your heart.
The bliss of your marriage is without regards to who you married. Let me repeat it. May the God what as you. If my wife I will be like the wife of our provincial pastor, I will have a blissful marriage. So what I'm thinking, if my husband is like our daddy pastor Adewey, I will have a blissful marriage. So what I'm thinking, if my wife will be like our mommy, and mother in Israel, mommy Adewey, I will have a blissful marriage. Am I speaking to somebody? Somebody thinking that way? If you just want to go to say it in the book. So I'm thinking that way. That the reason why my marriage is not blissful is because of who I married. Oh, hear me? There is nothing farther from the truth than that. The bliss of your marriage has no regard for who you marry. The bliss of your marriage has no regard for who you marry. Now, what now determines the bliss of your marriage? If I say it has no regard for who you marry, the bliss of your marriage
not the man, not the woman. Things get done in that marriage because God says so. Not the man, not the woman. We do things in this marriage because God said so. So this marriage is a God-controlled marriage.
Thereafter was a game to test couples on how best they know themselves.
Just had a question. Your husband asked like the number of children you want to have or you already have and say full call. How many? Like when you saw you about to what does it? 12 or 13. Did they 12 or 13? I thought it's a big number. Okay. Allah by say I want to have 15. Why do I have to and the lady say, "Oh yeah, come on, you are plenty of people. Ever something with I hear." Oh yeah. So now I want to show you tell me
Where did you meet your husband? The first time. Where?
ọmọ wọlé náà.
This room. What did people know? The first time they get on you, people they say, where? What do you want? If there is the fourth one.
In the lecture room at school, university.
They tell you to go and study. You were chasing women up and down. I know you really can't personality. Very well.
You want that?
One man.
Now let's come to money.
With a grateful heart, some of the executives have this to say.
The essence of this program is to bring couples together on yearly basis. You know, it's been full of activities all through. We want to look at the time whereby we can sit together, not spiritual alone. We've done the spiritual aspect of it. We had our revival, and at the same time we had the physical exercises which we had yesterday. Today is for relaxation, to bring couples together, to bring couples into a situation whereby they can renew their marriage vow and relax, see one another's eyes, and do what they did when they first of all met as husband and wife.
There is a lot of stress and problem in the home now that people do not know, but we use this thing in order to reunite couples. We use it again in order to let them remember the vow they vow for each other.
The essence of this is for couples to come together. We have put in place some events for the program. There are going to be some seminars that will be essentially on marriage. We realize that in today's society, a lot of marriages are going through turbulence, and we feel we should contribute to the church by having such programs that will bring couples together, reunite them, bring the bonding stronger.
Of Ogun 24, and the team Blissful Family, we are all blissful, and it's a great thing. Apart from the fact that it's a spiritual, it's organized by the church, it's also an avenue for families to reunite, and then you see that we have husband and wife. You reinvent that marriage, the wedding day experience. You bring it up again, and then we enjoy ourselves.
Some couples in attendance looked forward for more of such programs, as this make them to rededicate their marital vows.
We really bless God for this opportunity. It's a great event. It creates an opportunity for couples to come together to enjoy themselves and create another kind of unity between them. So We really bless God for this opportunity, and we can really tell that it's a good one.
Fantastic, and it also commemorates the Father's Day. So lovely, and the team Blissful Family, it's fitting, proper. Yes.
I would just advise them that once in a while you just try to go out, at least to feel refreshed. You know, it's creates bond between husband and wife when you are one-on-one, no distraction, no interruption from friends and from kids. Do you understand?
Oh, just like the preacher said, a blissful family as a family that has the presence of God. A blissful family is a God-involved family. So that one alone is a very good point to take home.
Today's couples dinner was a very fantastic one, and I really enjoyed it with my wife. And then it's made us to reunite again more than before. And we learned a lot of lessons here this evening, and it was a nice one. And in fact, if such thing is going to occur again next year, I would love it seriously, and I will be present by the grace of God.
Couples were treated with sumptuous meal as there were laughter, dancing, and merriment. The event was really a time to reunite marriages.